Hello, children. I am Teacher Yin. Now let us sing the song Tideo. Past one window, Tideo. Past two windows, Tideo. Past three windows, Tideo. Jingle lots of windows, Tideo. Now I want you to think how many phrases are there and how many bits are there. Remember, we always determine the phrase by the breath. Yes, there are a total of 4 phrases and 16 beats. Now, let us put the rhythm into it. I will sing it once of the first 2 lines. Past one window, Tideo. Past 2 windows, Tideo. Let's check. Ti 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 ta. Ti 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 ta. Let's try the next 2 lines. A little hint for you. The last line is slightly different. Past 3 windows, Tideo. Jingle at the windows, Tideo. Yes, let's check. Ti 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 ta. Tika tika ti 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 ta. Do you get it all correct? If you do, good. If you don't, no worries, we will do it the next time. Now let us try to put in the solfege. You start from me, me, me. Let's check. Mi so so la, mi so so, mi so so la, mi re do. What about the next 2 lines? Now, the third line, me. Oh, haven't we sung in the previous phrase? Which phrase did we sing the same? Yes, it is the third line. Mi so so la, mi so so. What about the last line? You start from la, la na 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 na. Let's check. La 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 so fa mi re do. Now let us sing the song again. This time I want you to mute the solfege fa. Mi so so la mi so so, mi so so la mi re do, mi so so la mi so so, la 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 so mi re do. That's all for today. Thank you.